In this video, we will learn how to run a Postman collection from Newman CLI. For that, we will need a Newman CLI installed on your computer. If you are using Mac operating system, you can watch chapter 1 and 2 how to install Newman CLI. If you already have Newman CLI, you can skip to chapter number 3. First, we will start with installation of Homebrew package manager. Open homebrew.sh on your browser and you will find a command for installing Homebrew. We have to run this command from Mac OS terminal. So let's open our terminal and paste this command as it is and click enter. Now enter your password and you will see all the information of directories which will be created with this installation. So just press enter, that is return button on your Mac, and that's it. The installation of Homebrew is completed. We can verify with the simple Homebrew command brew list, and if there is no error, it means our installation is successful. Now let's use brew package manager for searching Newman with a simple command brew search Newman. You can see that Newman is existing there. Now next simple command is brew install Newman. It's pretty much easy to install any tool with help of brew, so I recommend to go with the brew approach rather than going through manually installing node. Now you can see the Newman is already installed. We can go ahead and try to run a command. Let's see if we can find help. Alright, no error. It means that Newman is already present. We can try with the option which they have suggested. Okay, so you can either use Newman -h or -help, and we can also check version. The version we have installed with -v. So that's all. That's pretty much easy to install Newman with Homebrew package manager. In next chapter, I will explain you how to run a Postman collection with Newman. Now we will see how we can export our collection, all the test cases, all the requests into a JSON file. This JSON file can be used for executing from Newman, the CLI client, or it can be also used to share your test cases or your collection, your request with other team members. You have to find these 3 dots over here and you will find an export option. It's pretty easy. Go with the collection version 2 and just click on export. Then you get a pop-up asking you for saving location. I will just save it on desktop. I already have test.json. Okay, replacing it. Now you can see that I have already exported my collection successfully. Now we can run this collection directly from Newman CLI. Let's see how we can do that. Now you have to go to the path where you have exported your JSON file, the Postman collection. Now we will just run a simple command from Newman utility. It's Newman run and pass the file name. My file name is test.json. Let's enter. Okay, the tests are now executing. The collection is executing actually. Let's go and see what all things we have. We have collection name, we have environment variables name, we have all the users like create user, get user, the summary of executions. If I am printing anything, I had console.log. You can even see that it's printed here. You can finally see the summary of all the test cases, time taken for execution, and other details. That's pretty much all for running a collection from Postman CLI. Hope it helps.